This request comes from Allmind. True to form, they've sent us an encrypted message with top-level security. I expect it must be about coral release.
Augmented Human C4621, Raven. There is an obstacle to the project that must be removed. The target is V.III O'Keefe, an Arquebus Special Intelligence Officer. A second-generation augmented human, O'Keefe was once our ally within the corporations. But it seems he has had a last-minute change of heart and means to betray us. You are to ambush the target during his Arquebus-ordered survey of Depth 3. His records will note death by misadventure. The release project must succeed. Only an exceptional augmented human can be the key. C4621, Raven. Allmind is certain of your success.
We've made our decision. Let's get this done, Raven.
Main system activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Eliminate V.III O'Keefe.
Looks like they found a strong candidate this time. One of all minds, right? Tired as I am. Not ready to die yet.
Seems you're not the first assassin that I'm known to send. But you can't be the last. Be careful.
Maybe now. I'll get some sleep. See you on the other side. Nasty.
V.III O'Keefe has gone silent. Was he another candidate, I wonder? A key to coral release? We've completed Allmind's request. We can go now, Raven.